Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called connections. It's going to be at the top of the menu. Tap on it and then tap on the Wi-Fi option right here. In Wi-Fi menu, scroll down and look for the list called saved networks. Here we have it, and here you have a list of networks that are saved on your watch, and basically whenever your watch is in range and the network has the best reception, it will try to connect to it. And if you want to disconnect from the network, you can simply find the network you want to disconnect from. For example, currently the watch is connected to this one, and we can tap on it, and here we can scroll down and tap on forget, and the watch will basically disconnect from it, and it will try to connect automatically to another one that was on the saved network list. So basically that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. You find it on the list of saved networks, or here at the top, tap on it, tap on forget, and it will disconnect. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.